I'm Bree, an area sales manager with D.R. Horton Wilmington, and I'm so excited to announce that we finally released a new section of Waterside, a coveted community in Surf City, North Carolina that offers easy accessibility right to the ocean. You could even ride your bike. We offer two separate townhomes here, the Norman, which is a 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath, and the Pearson, which is a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath. Both townhomes offer spacious one-car garages and a thoughtfully designed layout to make sure that you have exactly what you need in a home. When you move into your new townhome at Waterside, you'll have access to the beautiful amenities that the community offers. So you'll be able to enjoy a pool, a pavilion, and then also a playground for your kiddos to run and play and enjoy the beautiful North Carolina sun. These townhomes are selling so fast, so be sure to call and schedule a tour today with our on-site team.